Hey everybody, I wanted to give you my thoughts on this armchair. You can see how compactly it came. It shipped all in this single box and it was very simple to pull out and clean up. I started by putting the legs onto the chair, simply folded it to the side and then screwed them into place. This didn't take long at all. In fact, the overall assembly of the chair took me less than 10 minutes. Then I moved on to installing the armrests. I just simply zipped them into place. This part took me about 30 seconds per side. I then moved on to the back. All I had to do was just slide it into place. There were these metal pieces that just slid over each other, and then I put the fabric down in the back. And then I moved on to the back cushion, which again was very simple. It just zipped into place. And then I had this little strip I pulled off, and then I put the Velcro down. That way it would stick at the bottom. I then moved on to the Velcro of the arm rests themselves, shoved them down into the side, and then I put into place these little two side pieces. They just slid into place like you see here. It was very simple, a really good fit. The chair worked beautifully. And so honestly, if you're looking for a easy chair to put together, I definitely recommend this one from the brand.